students, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is difficult, range is 700, concept is logical meaning and comparison. How do you identify or check that the question is from 700 level? Simple, when all the options are different from one another, it means it is 700. Second, when you find that it confuses a lot, it's been what? Just because of one marker you cannot eliminate many options, or you need a lot of attention toward meaning to justify each option. It's been what? It is 700 level questions. Let us begin. It says, today's technology allows manufacturers to make small cars more fuel efficient now than at any time in their production history. So first, this is your comparison marker. But it says today's technologies allows manufacturers to make a small cars more fuel efficient now. So today's and now, that is called redundancy. Two words should not be used for the same sense, for the same meaning. Alright, so option A out, and even you can eliminate option C, option E, and these are shortcuts. If you want to look at meaning, look at it. Says small cars more fuel efficient now. What does it mean? That technology allows manufacturers to make small cars now than at any time. So it is about cars manufacturing, not it is about fuel efficiency in present and fuel efficiency in past. But the whole passage is talking about fuel efficiency in present and in past. So this is meaning based option. By the way, shortcut, there is always shortcut and you have to adopt. So today's and now, redundant, option A out. B says small cars that are more fuel efficient than they were at any time in their past, in their production history. See, it says cars are more fuel efficient than they were. So it's been what? Same car in present and same car in past. Incorrect. It is not about same cars, but it is about fuel efficiency in present and fuel efficiency in past, right? So the same car cannot be used. I mean, the same car cannot give fuel efficiency in present and in past, right? So option B out. It says make small cars that are more fuel efficient than those at any other time. It means cars fuel efficiency in present and cars fuel efficiency in past. So this is the right comparison because it is talking about fuel efficiency in present and past. This is more fuel efficient small cars than those at any other time in their production history. Same problem, it says make more fuel efficient small cars than those, means same car, number of cars has increased. The numbers of cars has increased. Not fuel efficiency has increased. So the intention of this passage is not to talk about fuel efficiency of present and fuel efficiency of past, but it is talking about cars versus cars. So option D out, option E with the same reason out, C becomes best option.